I'm Nancy at Ward's Nursery, and I'm here to show you how to make a terrarium. First of all, this is our terrarium. You can use any size you wish. Today I'm using this size. What you need to do, first of all, is to put some stone on the bottom. Usually about 1/4 on the bottom to do it. So depending on what size container you have, a cup or more. So that's about 1/4 right there. Next, we'll use some sphagnum moss. You want to start off with this sphagnum moss being wet. So take a piece of this and just gently layer the top, just to cover the stones. You don't need as much as you think. Just kind of pat that down. Second, we have charcoal. Charcoal is to prevent the decay of the plants. So just a light layer of charcoal on the top. Next, we have soil. Again, I like to start with the soil being moist so it doesn't condense. We want to add a little bit of soil in the beginning, just a light layer on top, because you're going to be putting in your plants and adding more. Just push all that down so it'll be all nice and level. So this is a moss, and what I like to do is to press it down a bit. It's easier to fit into the container. You don't want to put too much in here because it grows really fast, and before you know it, it'll be too full. So one little moss like that. And then I have polka dot plants. And some of these plants you can divide in half, like this polka dot. And then you can put them in different places, like so. Divide it even more. And then the rest of your soil, you want to tuck the plants in gently around with the soil. They're nice and secure inside. Okay. So there is your terrarium. So now you want to put water in there. You just want to put the water slowly inside, just enough so the water goes on top of the rocks. And you can see it as you move it. There, that should be sufficient. And if you wish to add little trinkets, I have these little shards of clay. You can put a little bit around, or maybe even a shell, and or maybe even something cutesy like this. And then you have your top. You put the top on here. Now I would suggest to put the top on at night, and then when it's all condensed and foggy inside, you know it's working. Take the top off in the morning to let it breathe. And there you are. And if it doesn't have condensation inside, that means you don't have enough water in there. So check your water level by moving your pot, and you can see it. So that's my conclusion on how to make terrariums. Thank you.